So this is question 6 on paper 2, again a calculator one. And what they've got is a wee swimming pool with an odd shape. So remember, these shapes are just made of simpler shapes, okay, compound or composite, as you were. So they're wanting you to work out the amount of railing, the cost of the railing to go around the swimming pool. There's a wee bit of a gap to obviously allow people to go in and out, and we have to first of all work out the perimeter, okay, in order to work out that. Now, you've got a lot of information here, and again, you can actually add some information. Now, if you have a wee look, the shapes that you've got pretty much made of, it even tells you, 2/4 circles, so we need to work out that side, and obviously if you work out that side, you know this side, okay. You've also got a rectangle, so we know this, you know that side is 36.5, and again, it doesn't do you any harm in adding information to this. Probably get a better pen than that. So that's 36.5 as well. Okay, also that 10 metre, that's a radius, so if that's 10 metre, that's going to be 10 metre as well. And that's therefore going to be 10 metre. So you've actually, you know the whole side of that, and now you know the whole side of that. So the main thing is actually working out the quarter circles, the perimeter or the circumference of that. And remember, inside the front cover, you got circumference of the circle is pi d, okay, and d is the diameter. Right, so we can go circumference is pi d. Now the radius is 10, so the diameter is 20. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're wanting to work out the fact that it's quarter circle, okay, 2 quarter circles. So what you can do is you can go pi times 20. Now the 2 quarter circles combined together makes a semicircle. So if you work out the diameter, the circumference of the circle, and just divide that by 2, then that's going to actually give you the size of the perimeter of the 2 quarter circles. Okay, so what you got is you go pi times 20, divide that by 2, and that is equal to 31.4 meters. Okay, so we've now got the combined total is 31.4 of these, and then we can add up all these together. So essentially we're adding up 10 plus 36.5 plus another 10 plus another 36.5 plus the wee curvy bits. And if you add all these together, that should give you the overall perimeter. Okay, you might have decided to work out the circumference of a circle and divide it by 4 to give you the side of one of the curves, and then you'd have had to times that by 2 in order to get both. So that's why I've just divided it by 2. Okay, so if we add up all these together, so that's 10 plus 36.5, so that's 2 lots of that, so I'm just going to times that by 2, okay, and then plus 31.4. We've now got the side, the perimeter is 124.4 meters. Okay, so that's the whole perimeter. Now, let's see, they want two 1.25 metre gaps just to allow folk to go in and out. Okay, so let's get 124 and we minus 1.25, so there's a lot of, and then minus that again. Okay, so this will give us the amount that, or the size that we need for the railings. So 124.4, subtract 1.25, subtract that again, 1.25, and that's 121.9 meters that we're going to have to get the railings for. Okay, now they're sold in 3 metre lengths, so I'm going to then divide that by 3 just to work out how many lengths we've got to buy. Divide that by 3. Now that's 40.6 Now that's 40.6 lengths of rail. Okay, now you're not going to go into the shop and ask for a 0.6, so we're going to actually have to round that up. Okay, so that's actually 41 rails that we're going to have. Okay, so you're going to have to, just like if you're wallpapering your wall, you end up having that excess, so you're not wanting to go and then you're missing 0.4 centimetres of rail, so you're going to have to get 41 rails. Okay, now it tells you then it's £11.49 for a rail. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 41 and we're going to times that by 11.49. Okay, so 41 times 11.49, and that is £471.09. £471.09. And that's your final answer. So there's a lot of reading in it. The main bit is working out the actual sizes, okay? And again, annotate your diagram. So if you know that side, then just write down the size of it, and it'll all come together. And remember, use the formula sheet in the front, okay? And then after that, and once you do something, you could just tick it off. And you've done that, tick it off, and that's the minimum cost, okay? And your minimum cost is £471.09. So that is that question done for you.